Top 5 alternatives for refined sugar. Refined sugar poses various health risks. Fortunately, Mother Nature offers a delightful array of alternatives to refined sugar that can add sweetness to our favorite dishes. Let's explore some natural sweeteners with numerous benefits that you can incorporate into your daily intake. Honey. Honey has been cherished for centuries for its sweetness and medicinal properties. The antioxidants found in honey may help combat oxidative stress in the body. Additionally, some studies suggest that local raw honey could alleviate seasonal allergies. Palm sugar. Palm sugar, made from the sap of various palm trees, is a natural alternative that has gained popularity for its low glycemic index and mineral content. It provides essential nutrients such as potassium, iron, and calcium. Its complex flavor profile with hints of caramel and butterscotch makes it a versatile sweetener for both beverages and baked goods. Coconut sugar. Derived from the sap of coconut trees, coconut sugar is an unrefined sweetener that retains its natural nutrients. With its mild caramel taste, it can be used as a replacement for refined sugar in various recipes. Coconut sugar contains essential minerals like iron, zinc, and potassium, making it a nutrient-rich choice. Dates. Dates are a delicious and naturally sweet fruit with a treasure trove of nutrients, including fiber, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. As a natural sweetener, dates work wonders in smoothies, energy bars, and desserts. Their sticky and gooey texture helps bind ingredients together, making them ideal for no-bake recipes. Maple syrup. Maple syrup, derived from the sap of maple trees, offers a distinct and rich flavor profile. It's an excellent source of manganese and zinc, supporting bone health and immunity. With its delightful caramel-like taste, maple syrup is a wonderful complement to pancakes, waffles, and oatmeal. When incorporating these natural sweeteners into your recipes, remember to use them in moderation, as they are still sources of natural sugars. Always opt for high-quality, organic, and unprocessed versions to reap the maximum benefits.